Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a mountain gray metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MBTEX interior. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. So the all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 24,283 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.